students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn Laplace transform type number 3. So what is basically that type? By using Pascal triangle and binomial theorem, or we can say that binomial expansion. Okay. So if the given question is in the form of sin raised to nt, sin h raised to nt, cos n raised to nt, or sin h raised to nt, then you have to use binomial theorem or the binomial expansion to find out Laplace transform. So to understand type number 3, let's consider one example. We need to calculate Laplace transform of sin raised to phi t. What we need to do? We have to calculate Laplace transform of sin raised to phi t. If you observe carefully, on the left hand side, I have projected 4 important formulas related to this type. So if you observe which method or which formula you are going to apply, if you compare with this, so Laplace of sin of raised to nt, which is nothing but equal to e raised to it minus e raised to minus it upon 2i. So let's consider we need to calculate sin raised to phi t, which is equal to e raised to it minus e raised to minus it upon 2i whole raised to, instead of n, here what is the value of n? Phi is given. So now we have sin raised to phi t is nothing but equal to e raised to it minus e raised to minus it upon 2i whole raised to phi. So what we can do? We can take 1 upon 2i raised to phi outside the bracket. What is there inside? E raised to it minus e raised to minus it whole raised to phi. And now we need to apply binomial expansion. If you remember the standard formula for binomial expansion, it could be in the form of a plus b whole raised to n. So what you need to do? You have to decrease the order of n and then you need to increase the order of b, if you remember. Okay. So in this case, what is 2i raised to phi? 2 raised to phi is nothing but equal to 32, and I raised to phi is equal to I square into I, whereas I square is equal to minus 1 into I raised to phi is nothing but equal to I. Similarly, here as I told you, we need to apply binomial expansion. So as per that, e raised to phi it minus, here if you observe carefully, as per the Pascal triangle, you need to use all the coefficients. So the first coefficient over here is 1. The second would be minus phi e raised to 4it into e raised to minus it. Next coefficient is plus 10 e raised to 3it. As I told you, we have to decrease the order for the first variable or first number, and we need to increase the order for the second variable. So here e raised to minus 2it you will get. Next coefficient is what? Minus 10 e raised to 2it into e raised to minus 3it. Next would be plus phi e raised to it into e raised to minus 4it. And the last one is, if you check the coefficient as per the Pascal triangle, it is minus 1 e raised to minus phi it. Next step would be we need to club them. If you are going to club them, you will be getting e raised to phi it minus e raised to minus phi it minus phi inside the bracket e raised to 4it into e raised to minus it. What you will get? E raised to 3it minus e raised to minus 3it. Similarly, from this you can take 10 outside the bracket. What is there inside? E raised to it minus e raised to minus it. If you remember the formula, e raised to I theta minus e raised to minus I theta by 2i. So what we need to do? From this 32i, we have to take 2i inside the bracket. So what is there outside the bracket? Here, instead of 32i, I need to write 1 upon 16. I hope you have understood till this step. So as I told you, e raised to phi it minus e raised to minus phi it upon 2i, we can write 1 upon 16 sine phi t. Here minus phi sine 3t plus 10 sine t. I hope you have understood this step. By which formula you are going to? By which formula you will get this step? E raised to I theta minus e raised to minus I theta upon 2i, which is equal to sine theta. So in this case, the theta value is phi t. So you will be getting sine phi t minus phi sine 3t plus 10 sine t. Now you can easily apply, you can easily find out Laplace of sine raised to phi t by standard result. So just tell me, what is Laplace of sine phi t, which is nothing but equal to phi upon s square plus 25. Similarly, here Laplace of sine 3t is nothing but equal to 3 upon s square plus 9, and Laplace of sine t is nothing but equal to 1 upon s square plus 1. I hope you have understood type number 3 related to Laplace transform, which is based on by applying binomial theorem, or we can say that binomial expansion and Pascal theorem. In next video, we'll learn type number 4 related to Laplace transform. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.